Hello, so it's time for pulling cards. Twin flames on your path to your harmonious union or on your path to ascend and unite with God. So let's see what are the cards telling you today. And I have taken the deck, Mystical Wisdom card deck, and I will pull out the cards and I will share how I feel about it and how you can interpret the message for yourself, your personal message. So the first card, oh my god, this feels like you are, or like overall the twin flame energy is on a right track. It is the card that I have pulled out is the card of enlightenment. It's a beautiful card. It looks like, like goddess Lakshmi. Okay, so I will read about what the card is saying. The card is enlightenment, pursue spiritual growth. Wow, what a confirmation. Twin flames, if you are committed to your journey, whether you don't have a choice, once you have initiated your journey, you have met your twin flame, God is only going to take you deeper and deeper and bring you situations till you make a choice and heal. So it is, rather than something externally force you into that and make it really hard for you, it is always good that you choose that within your heart and make it easy. You can absolutely flow with universe naturally and follow that guidance and be with God. That's a beautiful experience. Isn't it going to be good that your twin flame is bringing the most precious gift into your life, like taking you to God, like you will be on the earth living the life, living all the luxury of the earth and be with God. Isn't that going to be amazing? Okay, and God wants to give you all the happy moments in your life. And if you have any confusion about or any that's actually not a confusion, that's actually a block. Most of the people have the block with the separation of spirituality and materialistic life. So that is actually coming from a separation consciousness, that if you have to be a spiritual person or you stay in the materialistic life, but that there is actually no truth to that. And that's what is twin flames all around the world is bringing in, that the consciousness, the trueness, how twin flames can live a life with God, can live a life in spirituality and still enjoy all the materialistic thing about this earth. Like twin flames in harmonious union, you can have the most luxurious car for yourself, have the most beautiful house that you have ever dreamed about yourself, and you can still stay spiritual about it. Okay, so in twin flame union consciousness, your materialistic life is actually a expression of the of your spiritual vibration. So the more you are with a high spiritual vibration, you are going to attract more materialistic things into your life, and those are going to make you feel good, those are going to make you feel supported. Okay, so don't hesitate to to the path of enlightenment. Like seek your path of enlightenment, seek to be in one with God, and then stay in oneness with everything around you. Okay, so I'll read what exactly the card is saying. You have come into your own and are in search of something more meaningful to add to your life. Now is the time to meditate, deliberate, self evaluate, and withdraw voluntarily from the world to seek truth and solitude. Rest and quiet retreat away from the daily routine will allow you to consider enlightened decisions and go in the direction of your heart. This may also be in the time to seek advice and spiritual guidance from a mentor or experienced person. Wow. I will always say, I have always been supported by my coach, all through my pain, all through my different phases of decision. When I was like stuck at any moment, I was not able to break it by myself. My coach was always there. I'm highly grateful to my coach, who actually always healed me and brought me to the next level, where I can enjoy my spirituality, understand myself, and self evaluation has been a great point for me. And you can also see that, all this process of understanding your spiritual truth can only happen when you engage with yourself and evaluate yourself. Your twin flame journey is all about that. Your twin flame is reflecting back something to you. And only by going within yourself, you will be able to understand that. And doing mirror exercise is going to help you a lot on self evaluation, and help you to also make to be with God, where you actually withdraw voluntarily from the world to seek truth and solitude. You'll be able to find that truth within you by doing mirror exercise deliberately. And you always follow the path of your heart, because you do mirror exercise in your heart chakra. You tune into your heart chakra and then try to understand what exactly you are feeling, and you clarify those blocks, and then you get to know the truth. And the truth is very peaceful. That's why we always in twin flame universe claim that you seek you will know that by the feeling of peace and truth. Nobody else outside of you is going to confirm that to you, because you are going to feel that peace and that truth within yourself, and then you experience a bigger shift in your outside world. So that's why it's a scientific process. Okay, and there is a beautiful mantra that has been given in this card. Maybe you can write it down. Just you can pause the video and bring a paper and pen, because having a mantra or a affirmation or a decree always helps you to stay on that path and seek help from God. So the mantra is, I search for wisdom and mental clarity. Wow, because enlightenment is all about that. When you are crowded with all that anxiety, all that fear, you evaluate everything and reach to a place of peace and harmony. And you actually get more and more clear about what exactly is happening within you. That's why you are experiencing that in the external. Okay, so beautiful card. And you can also see it one more time. You can see those rays, those are coming. And yes, when you are enlightened, you know the wisdom. And this card also feels like not only about, because wisdom is fundamental for everything. When you under, when you have that wisdom within yourself, you can attract all your abundance. This looks like a very abundant card. So abundance in the knowledge, abundance in your materialistic life, and abundant being just with God. Okay, so it is all about that. And keep pursuing your path to enlightenment, and gain your clarity with God. It's a beautiful message. Let me know how you felt about it, and come back tomorrow for another channeled message. Thank you.